Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to change the default browser in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Changing your default browser in Windows 11 is pretty straightforward, especially with recent updates that simplified the process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you switch from Microsoft Edge to your preferred browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Brave. Open Settings, press Windows+I or right-click the Start button and choose Settings. Navigate to Default Apps in the left sidebar. Click Apps, then select Default Apps. Search for your browser in the search box under Set Defaults for Applications. Type the name of your installed browser, for example, Chrome, Firefox. Set as default. Click on your browser in the results. At the top of the page, click Set Default to make it your system-wide default for web links and file types. Assign specific file types, optional. Scroll through the list of file types like HTML, HTML, HTTP, and HTTPS. Click each one and select your browser to ensure full coverage. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.